I'm going to clean the shower with this steam cleaner. And first we're going to do is put some distilled water in this. You never want to put water from your tap because, as you can see, look at all the calcium buildup right there. You don't want all of that clogging up your steamer here. It's the same reason why you don't put that in your iron. So you put distilled water. So we're going to do that. This works better if you have a funnel, but you can still make this work. A little bit of water spills out just like that. It's no big deal, but you want to save as much as you can. And obviously, when this heats up, it creates the steam. So like boiling water, you have the steam coming off the top. Basically what all this is accomplishing. This right back on top. Some of it may spill out again, just a little bit. Not a big deal. There you go. As that stem's pushing down. Then you just need to plug it in. This particular model, I have it blacked out just because the social media sites, TikTok or YouTube, normally they won't put your video. They'll push it out to a feed, although this is actual video, but they have guidelines where you're not going to do any free advertising or I don't know, something weird. So just to prevent that, I block that out. All right, we're going to let this heat up. Then we're going to clean the shower. All right, it's been about 7 minutes. So on these steam cleaners, you want them to heat up between, I don't know, I would just say 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your model. And I have a little brush here, but I'm going to remove that, and I just use a toothbrush. Let's go ahead, and I'm just going to pop this off. And then we just have this nozzle right there. Okay? That's what we're going to use. We're going to get into this track. It's all nasty. So I'm going to steam it out. Then I'm going to take the toothbrush there and kind of just loosen everything up. Hopefully I won't fog up the camera. So let's get started. You can see that loosened it up quite a bit. Just going to get the brush in here, loosen all of that stuff out. There we go. Get in there, and then I have to get deep into this track right here. Let me tilt the camera down a little bit more. Get a better angle what we're looking at. Yeah, even better. That cleans it up pretty good. Just knocks it all out. And I want to get the brush down in there just to help scrape up. The steam loosens it is what it does. You still want to take a brush and do a little scrape. And then we're going to take water and just flush it out. So let me go ahead and grab that. Pour some water up in that. Now I'm going to take a paper towel You can see I removed most of it. I'm just going to wipe it down. So that's actually pretty good right there. Cleaned it up pretty good. Get all this junk up here. I'm also going to clean some of these water stains here. Calcium deposit buildup. Loosen all this up. Little bit of scrubbing, a little bit of elbow grease. Then I'm just going to wipe down with a paper towel. And I got the majority of it. Still a little bit of stuff on there, but cleans it off without any harsh chemicals in your shower. It's kind of stinking up your room. So it all works good. Quick little steam cleaner. Worth the money to purchase.